LTC, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if we refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was within this move, we mentioned we're looking at this correction relative to this. We want to get one more drop. Then from there, if we get the reversal, we can look for buy. And we mentioned we want to see the breakout of this low. All right, as we can see, the price drop, and even there was a continuation, and the price broke the previous low. And right now, if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. That means if we get any trade setup from now, this is what we're looking for, because almost we get as a 1 to 3. All right, since we get the divergence, mostly if we get any reversal, we can look for buy, but we have to wait to get the correction and trade setup, because still this one can turn to similar to any of this for short-term drop. That means any sell from here with a sharp move can flag or correction similar to what I draw here is a short-term sell. It depends on the traders whether they want to look for short-term trade. It is up to them. We cannot add in this analysis because we cannot look for the proper trade setup for short-term unless we trade based on lower time frame. But right now, what we're looking for reversal. If we get any reversal for buy, we will take the trade. The only times you can look for sell if we get the bigger correction similar to what we get here. Okay, and I mean, it doesn't mean the price cannot drop. The only thing is in terms of the trade setup, how we can look for trade. Anyway, if we move to daily chart, the only thing is we need, as we can see, the price drop. This is the lowest price. What we get is around 118. Okay, and if we refer to this correction, almost the lowest price of this correction, which is this one. All right, this is what what I want to say is here. The best thing is if we get a reversal without breakout of 113, because if the price break the lowest price of this correction, then we can expect the price drop quite a lot. All right, that's why we're looking for the reversal, and we can expect to get a reversal or deeper correction here. All right, that's why if we get any trade setup for buy, we will take it. And if we move to forward chart, if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. That's mean any trade for buy, we will take the trade. But right now we don't have any trade because we need to get the reversal at least as a sharp move flag. All right. That's mean if we get any reversal as a sharp move flag, we will take the trade. And with the breakout of the previous top, the highest price of this correction, which is around 184, we start to manage. Having entry above this, above here, which is around 153.5 or 154 can be an option. Maybe put it as a 154. All right, in case the price sharply reverse from here. But we should know that if we want to have entry above this, in case the price reverse, we want to see the price tag break and continue the price tag. We see it's not moving within the first or maximum second hour, we take out the trade. But if the price reverses as a corrective, we are not going to have entry above this, which is at the 154. All right. Anyway, we're looking for the reversal, and if we get any trade setup, we need to see the continuation reversal as a sharp move, at least similar to what we get here. If it turns to a corrective move, we start to manage the trade, or if we get the trade, we take out the trade or move our stop loss to break even. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup. Right now, we want to looking at this. We want to see whether we can get the reversal for buy or it can give us a small flag of correction for continuation. Anyway, we just follow the chart. As we mentioned, we will be more interested and to look for buy. This means if we get the trade setup for buy, since in terms of the risk and reward, it can give us better trade, and this is what we have been looking for. But before we look for the reversal, we have to confirm this down move is finished, and we need to get the trade setup for buy. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or trade setup, I will share. Thanks.